Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI tutorial project course. This video is the last video in this particular Olympics dataset analysis project. So basically we would be taking a look at a few steps that would help us in creating a good looking Power BI report. Then whatever visualizations we have created so far, we would be just adjusting them all into the report so as to get the best possible outcome out of it. So from the last video, I have made a few changes in this page 4. That is, I have changed the color scheme of this particular visualization again to be in line with what we have on all other visualizations, and I have confirmed these 3 data cards that would be going in my report. It totally depends on you. You can just create other cards as well. So we have medals earned, we have countries participated, and the sports played. This is the titles that I have added as I have already explained. So let's just go onto the page 5. This is going to be our report. Okay. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to create or add a picture of the Olympics logo in the background. Okay. So what I'm going to do is apply a wallpaper on this page. So you can just go to this wallpapers option, go to this add image option. Here I have this Olympics image that I downloaded from the internet. You can do the same for you and click on open. So this is the kind of the image that's there. Now it's not looking very good, I know that. Let's just make a few changes into it. So we go to this wallpaper option and just increase its transparency to around 95%, right? So I have seen this transparency before, I have adjusted it before and it looks good. And with the image fit, let's just go with this fit option, or if you want you can just go with the fill option, but basically any option that works best for you. So this is what we have got, right? And this is what this is how it is looking. Now all we need to do is add the visualizations over it, but before that, just one thing is we have to tell that what this report is all about. So our report is all about the Olympics dataset analysis. So we can go to the insert tab and go to this shapes option to add a shape. So I'm going to add a rectangle kind of a shape and I'm going to add some text into it. But before that, I'm just going to change its color. Let's just go with a golden color, and the text that I'm going to add is going to be the name of the dataset, that is Olympics dataset analysis. Okay. And what I'm going to do is actually just change the font color to a black and increase its size a little bit to around 16, 17 points or 19 points. Basically, that's totally up to you, whichever looks good to you. Okay. Now is the time to adjust all of your visualizations. So let's just adjust them quickly. You can place any visualization wherever you want, but the only constraint is that the data cards that you have made must be on the top side. So let's just place them quickly and then I will show you the final result. So this is how it is looking finally after adjusting all of the visualizations into this report. If you want, you can go with any kind of an arrangement that you like, but as you can see, my A chart is not able to be used completely. It has a big chart, so I have just used this kind of a slider so as to get the peak, the look into the peak. That is most important. Now the thing is that if you just see, these cards are looking transparent, but all the other visualizations are looking opaque. So the image that we have used on the background is not visible. So how to remedy the situation? First of all, you got to use Control A option to select all of these elements except the data part. So let's just remove that, control click, and that would be removed. Go to the format option and that's not visible. Okay. So what you can do is select these visualizations one by one by control clicking on them. Then go to this format option and I think there should be the option of the background. Okay, so there must be an option of the background. I can show you in one visualization. Like if you just select this, go to the format, there is this background option. You can turn it off so that what happens is that your visualization would change into a transparent one so that the background is visible. So you can do similar for all the visualizations, and then you will get the final look of your report. So that is it for this particular project. Thanks for being with me, and all the best for your journey in Power BI.